The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to navigate to the EEGer support site. The easiest way to get there is going to be to click the link in the KBA that says download page link. Once we go to the support site, if we scroll down a little bit, we should see this section for fixers. We're going to want to click on the link here in the second column to begin downloading that file. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you might need to tell the browser to keep the file. We can do this up in the top right by clicking the downloads arrow. We're going to select the three little dots and then keep, and then show more, keep anyway. Before you run the fixer program, make sure that EEGer is closed on the computer. You can do this on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen by finding the EEGer icon and then closing it with the X, or right-clicking and close window. Once that file is finished downloading, we're just going to want to open it up to run it. Once we open up the fixer program, it's going to ask us to extract the files. We can do that by pressing the extract button down here at the bottom. This is going to extract the actual files, and then what it's going to do is it's going to open up a little command prompt window. So to break down what's actually happening here, the first thing it's doing is it's scanning for the actual files to fix. If it finds the file, it's going to show up with this found file and then that it wrote a change to it. Next, what it'll do is it should scan the client files on the computer. You'll see here I have a fresh installation of EEGer, so I only have the demonstration clients, but you should see a list here with all the client files on your system, and there should be multiple entries for clients with different protocol classes like we're seeing here. If you run the fixer program and in the command window that appears, it says that it found the file, but it was already patched, that indicates that this has been run successfully on the computer and that the issue should be resolved. If you run the fixer program and notice that it says that it found the file but failed to actually update the file, this is probably because EEGer is open on the computer, and for the patch to apply, EEGer must be closed first. If this comes up, you'll be asked to press enter to continue, and then press enter again to close the window. Then make sure EEGer is closed on the computer. You can do this on the bottom of the screen by finding the EEGer icon and then pressing the X to close, or right-clicking on the EEGer icon and selecting close window. Now that EEGer is closed, we can run the fixer program again, and this time it should work without giving us that same error message. Once I'm done with this, I can press enter, and that will close the window, and then I can verify that the changes worked by opening up EEGer and trying to run a new session and seeing if it shows up in the right spot, or by reviewing or replaying a session.